Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Let's start our lesson number 10. It's from grammar. Today we will cover 4 topics. Number 1, uses of auxiliary verbs will, would, shall and should. And letter to editor to express your concern about the chopping of trees due to indiscriminate building of pavement. And essay writing, importance of sports in education. And we'll also do present, past and future indefinite tense. Okay, let's take start from uses of auxiliary verb will, shall, would and should. First of all, we'll see where is will used. Okay, will is used to show desire, preference, choice or consent. For example, he will accept your offer. Will you please be quiet? It is also used to show the future, and will is used with second and third person pronouns. For example, it will be a great party. She will probably go out tonight. It is also used to express capability. For example, the ship will take 300 guests. This bottle will hold 2 liters of milk. Okay? It is also express determination or insistence. For example, he will pass his driving test. She will do as you say. Okay, clear? Now come to the next one, that is would. Would is used to show preference. For example, I would rather go to the cinema today. It is also used to show a wish. For example, I would like to have more free time. And it is also used for advice. If I were you, I would study economics. Okay, is that clear? Let's move on to the next, that is shall. Shall is used to show the future, as you know very well. It is used with first person pronouns. For example, I shall play a match. We shall enjoy the party. Okay, it is also used to make a suggestion. For example, shall we dance? Shall I go now? Okay, and it is also used for obligation in very formal situations. For example, you shall obey the rules. Students shall not enter here. There shall be no food and drink on the premises. Students, normally we use will with second and third person pronouns, but here shall is used to show obligation, right? Let's move on to the next one, that is should. Should is often used to give an opinion, to make a suggestion, to express a preference or an idea. Okay? For example, you should stay at home if you are feeling tired. I should walk to work. He should be more open to ideas. Okay, it is also used to ask for an opinion. For example, should we tell him about our idea? What should we do now? Okay, it's clear. I hope you have understood it. Now, complete the following using the right words. First, try to do it yourself, then check the answers. Answers have been given in green color. Let's move on to the next topic, that is letter to editor to express your concern about the chopping of trees due to indiscriminate building of pavement. Okay students, let's see how to write the letter. First of all, Write your address on extreme left corner of your notebook. For example, you will write examination hall, comma, then city, colon, A dot B dot C, and then date, 27th June, comma, 2020, full stop. It is your address, and then you will write the address of the editor. You will write the editor, comma, the news, comma, Rawalpindi, full stop. And then you will write the subject. And the subject of this letter is protection of trees. Okay, body of this letter has been given on the screen. You can see it. Okay, now let's see how to close the letter. On the extreme left corner of your notebook, you will write yours truly, comma, x dot y dot c. Okay? And dear students, do not put apostrophe with yours, as apostrophe always put with nouns, not pronouns. Okay? Now, come to the next topic, essay writing, importance of sports in education. Okay? As you know, sports are very essential for us, as it is said, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So, all of us need a sound mind to perform any duty, and only a sound body has a sound mind. So, my dear students, sports play a vital role in making our body sound. Okay? So, it is very important for us. The essay has been given on the screen. You can see it. Now let's move on to tenses. Dear students, today we will read present, past and future indefinite tenses. Okay, let's start from present definite tense. Present indefinite tense. This tense is used for a habitual action or fact. Okay, उर्दू में इस टेंस की जो पहचान होती है वो ये होती है कि उर्दू फिक्रे के आखिर में ता है, ती है, ते हैं ये आता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, तुम खाना खाते हो वगैरह. Alright? And the structure of this tense is subject plus first form of verb and then object. Okay? For example, when we translate मैं खाना खाता हूँ, we'll write I eat meal. Subject, first form of verb and object. Okay? Okay, my dear students, always keep in your mind, if our subject is third person singular or any singular name. Third person singulars are he, she, it. If our subject is third person singular or any singular name, we will put add s or es with the first form of the verb. Okay? Is that clear? For example, if I say वो खाना खाता है, okay, he eats meal. We will not write he eat meal, okay, because our subject is third person singular, so we write he eats meal. Alright, and if there is a singular name like Ali चाय पीता है, and we will write Ali takes tea. We will not write Ali take tea, okay, because Ali is singular name. Okay, is that clear? Now come to the past indefinite tense. Let's see, where do we use past indefinite tense? Actually, past indefinite tense is used to show that a completed action took place at a specific time in the past. Okay? It is also frequently used to talk about past habits. Alright? उर्दू में इसकी पहचान होती है कि उर्दू फिक्र के आखिर में अलिफ छोटी है या बड़ी है आता है, जैसे कि मैंने खाना खाया, वो स्कूल गया. ओके, मैंने खाना खाया, वो स्कूल गया. These are the examples of past indefinite tense. Now, the structure of past indefinite tense is subject plus second form of verb and then object. Okay, for example, I ate meal. Okay, he went to school. Alright, now come to the third one, future indefinite tense. This tense, dear students, indicate that an action or occurrence has not happened yet and will take place at some point in the future. Okay? For example, वो टीवी देखेगी, मैं स्कूल जाऊंगा. Okay? The structure of this tense is subject plus will or shall plus first form of verb and then object. Okay, dear students, we will use will with the second and third person. We will use will, second and third person pronoun, and we'll use shall with only first person pronouns. Okay, my dear? और उर्दू में जो इसकी पहचान होती है वो ये होती है कि फिक्रे के आखिर में गा गे गी आता है. ठीक है? She will watch television. Okay. I shall play match. Okay. Now let's see how to make negative and interrogative of these sentences. First of all, we'll see how to make negative sentences. For making negative sentences, we need a helping verb. Okay, and the helping verbs for present indefinite tense are do or does. Okay, do is used with first person, second person, and third person plural, like I, we, you, and they, and any plural name like Ali and Sana. Okay, and does is used with third person singular, he, she, it, or any singular name. Okay, students? Do remember that after using does in a sentence, we will remove s or es with the first form of verb. Okay? And the structure for negative sentence of present definite tense is subject plus do or does plus not plus first form of verb and then object. For example, I do not play game. She does not take lunch. Okay, we write take here. We do not write takes because there is does in the sentence. Okay, clear? Now come to the next tense, past indefinite tense, and the structure for the negative sentence is subject plus did plus not plus first form verb and then object. Did is the helping verb for past indefinite tense. Alright? And when did is used in the sentence, the second form will be changed into first form. Okay? For example, she did not make tea. Okay, we will not write made here because there is did in the sentence. We will write a first form. She did not make tea. Okay? Clear? Now come to the next tense, future. To make negative or future indefinite tense, we will write subject, then helping verbs will or shall that we already have, and then not. After that, first form of verb and then object. For example, I shall not have lunch. She will not attend the ceremony. Okay? Is that clear? Now come to the interrogative sentences. And to make interrogative sentences, students, helping verbs will be put before subject. For example, in present indefinite tense, we will write do or does first, then subject, then first form of verb, and then object, and then question mark. Okay, dear student, for example, do you go to school? Question mark. Does she make tea? Question mark. Student, do not forget to put question mark at the end of interrogative sentences. Okay, is it clear? Now come to the next tense, past indefinite tense. And to make interrogative sentence, we will put did first, and then subject, and then first form of verb, and then object, and then obviously question mark. For example, did you play hockey? Question mark. Okay. Did you go to school? Question mark. Clear? Now, future indefinite tense. In future indefinite tense, we will write helping verbs will or shall before subject, then first form of verb, and then object, and then question mark. For example, will you help me? Shall I watch TV? Question mark. Understood? Okay, I hope you have understood. Now, your homework. Students, you will write letter and essay in your notebook and also learn them. Okay, and you will make 5 sentences using past, present, past, future, indefinite tense, and also make their negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, I hope you have understood the lecture. That's the end of your lesson. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.